In this video, you're all going to get rewarded. I'm going to show you some simple and easy ways to earn Microsoft reward points, and then you can redeem them for goodies or sweepstakes. And if you don't want these goodies or prizes, then you can use your points for donations. Let's get started. Go to rewards.microsoft.com. If you already are enrolled in Microsoft Rewards program, then click sign in. If you're not signed up for the rewards program, then click on this button which says sign up for free. One caveat to note is that Microsoft Reward is still rolling out globally, and right now it's only supported in these countries. If your region or country does not support Microsoft Rewards yet, you may encounter this message which says Microsoft Reward is not available in this country. If you already have a Microsoft account, use that to sign in here. And if you don't have a Microsoft account, then click on create one. And if you want to see step by step on how to create a new Microsoft account, then click on my video which says free Microsoft Office. For full disclosure, I'm Gargi and I work for Microsoft as a program manager. Since I'm already enrolled in Microsoft's rewards program, I'm going to click sign in and use my Microsoft account to sign in. Once you sign in, you will see on this top of the page your name, your level, and your available reward points. On this page, you will see not only your reward points, but also ways to earn, redeem, and past sweepstake winners, and the status of your rewards. Let's see what all I can get if I stack up more and more points. Let's click on the Redeem tab, and here you can see that I can get Minecoins, I can get some sweepstake prizes right here, and I can even get Xbox Game Passes. Looks like I do have enough points to get an Xbox Game Pass, but I don't have enough points for Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Maybe that should be my target. So I go back to the Earn tab and scroll down to go to the daily set, and I'm going to do these daily set with you on the video to show you how easily I can win these points. This is a perfect day to record this video because look at that, I'm on day 3 of my 3-day streak bonus. I'm just going to click on this link and it just takes me to the Bing search, and see, just by clicking on this link I got 10 points. Let's do the next game, which is this or that, to get 50 points. I'm going to click on that, and here it is. I have to start playing. This or that. Which of these songs did Ed Sheeran help write? I have no idea. 50-50 chances of winning. Let's keep playing. I'm doing terrible today. Finally, I only got 4 out of 10 correct. Oh my goodness. I still got 20 out of 50 points. I hope you will do better. Let's try the next daily set task. Click here for 10 points. And here I get a pop-up and I start playing. I was absolutely flabbergasted by that new horror movie. I think it's Astonish. Okay, I got that too. And I got a 45 point streak bonus. Yay! What else can I do? I can play this. And I just clicked on it and I got that 10 points too. There you go. I got another 10 points. Oh, look at that. If I set a goal, I will get another 5 points. Remember, I wanted an Xbox Ultimate, so maybe I should pick that as a goal. Looks like I have one more task to go and I can get some more points. Let's click let's go and search something on the Bing. What should I search for? Weather today. I searched for weather today, and look at that, I got some additional points. I stacked up points in less than 5 minutes by doing some simple fun stuff, and looks like I leveled up too. That means more daily points. If you signed up for Microsoft Rewards and you earned some points today, then let me know in comments how many points did you earn and did you have fun. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe.